Hello guys, today I will show you how you can rearrange your home screen in the Motorola E32s. So, at the start I will tell you something about the widget. If you want to add any, just hold the finger on the home screen and choose Add Widgets. Now just choose your desired one, hold it and choose a place for it. Tap on the Create and that's it. If you want to resize this widget, hold the finger again and use that little edges to change the size of it. If you want to remove it, hold the finger and tap on the remove. That's it. The next one, if you want to make a folder, just hold the knob and drop onto another. After that, if you want to change the name of the folder, click here and type your name. You can also add a new application by this little plus, like this one. If you want to remove the folder, just hold your finger and choose remove. That's it. The next one, hold your finger like before and choose launcher settings. Then you can change the wallpaper here, the theme of your device. Like you can choose the dark theme, for example. You can see the opacity of this and the blur. The next one, if you want to change the more options on your home screen, open the home screen of course, then go to the icon and layout. Now you can see that we have a lot of options to edit. You can change the icon size, the font size under the icons, and these desired options. The next one, you can also change the icon appearance. You can change it to the Microsoft launcher or keep it in the system pack. You can also download a new icon pack. Sorry, I don't have a network, so I can do that. The next one, expand the more section, and if you want to use your home screen in the landscape mode, just enable this option. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.